guys, and this is my intro. I thought I was going to make this a longer video, but it's basically me cleaning out a bin. Oh my gosh, it's like a kitty narwhal. The first thing we need to do is get a bin to put stuff that doesn't have a home in. Ow. Beautiful. Violet, come in. Hi. You want to play? You're a good dog. Good girl. Huh. We'll have to do something with this. Everything's pink. Okay, they're falling off now. Here. Oh gosh. Wow. Oh, wow. This was my form of art. Oh, my friend gave me this little flower from hers to put on it. Okay, you can even see. This is what it looks like. Oh, no. There we go. Sorry, there were multiple dead bugs on it. My mom ordered a couple of these, and this one was completely broken along with two others. It's broken here. It's broken over here. Violet's probably like, what is the human doing? Violet left me! It lights up. 24 out of 25. What did I get wrong? Antonym. An extremely literate population. I put unmotivated was the antonym. What? Samantha. Paleolithic cave art. 6th grade. Fall 2019. Here we have, I don't even know. I took these designs from a thing, okay? Some animal here. Some people, there's someone hunting it, there's another person hunting it. There's another animal. It's an arrow. That's a sun. I don't know what that is, I just saw it on the sheet of things we could draw. Oh my goodness. I actually carried him around like this for an entire day. It's pink, in case you can't see, because of, I don't know. Look at his little face! Ooh! Russia, it's the only thing on here. I was in 8th grade math, so I only got one elective. It's just sad, they had to replace it with math. Honestly, I'm not that unhappy about it. I got to learn math. And this year, I get all of my electives, plus one more. I actually have a video with this, where I was like singing, and I went like this, and it was like weird swirl on my face, and I went, oh my nose. Here's part of the video. My nose. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video and subscribe for more. Also, subscribe to Random Minecrafters because I worked really hard to put the letters on this tiny little letterboard. I'm just kidding. Subscribe because me and my friends, Caitlin and Elizabeth, do some really cool Minecraft videos on there. So, go subscribe.